Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming essentials. Make sure your phone is signed into the same Google account you used for the Nest Mini and that Bluetooth and location services are enabled. Once done, open the Google Home app and tap the plus icon to add a device. This triggers the device discovery process. Make sure the Nest Mini is powered and listening. If it's not, press its factory button pattern. This step speeds pairing and avoids network mismatches during the next stage. When the Nest Mini appears in the app, select it and listen for the audio confirmation. That tells you the app has the right device. Next, the app will prompt for the Wi-Fi network. Choose your new SSID from the list. Type the password exactly, paying attention to case and special characters. If you use a guest network or enterprise WPA2, known restrictions may apply. Once you hit connect, the app negotiates credentials with the speaker. Wait for the success message before moving on. Finish by confirming the Nest Mini displays as online in the Google Home app and test voice commands to verify behavior. If setup fails, reboot the router first, then try again. If it still won't join, perform a factory reset on the Nest Mini to clear old settings. Make sure your router isn't isolating clients and consider switching SSIDs between 4 GHz and 5 GHz, many Nest devices prefer 4. If problems persist, double-check password
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.